How to fix browser not fitting the screen on Windows 10. Here's some tips that may help you fix browser not fitting the screen on Windows 10. 1. Press the Control key on keyboard and, then hit the and or sign. Plan B, mouse wheel zooming. To do so, hold the Control key, and using the mouse scroll. 2. Try a different browser. 3. Change default zoom in/out value in your own browser settings. For Mozilla Firefox users, modify layout.css.dev pixels per px under about config as -1.0. Plan B, try Zoom at https://adons.mozilla.org/n-us/firefox/adon/fixed-zoom. To set a custom default zoom for all pages in Firefox. Hint, you can set a general zoom for all pages or custom rules depending on the site. For Google Chrome users, then customize the zoom level site setting under Site Settings. For Microsoft Edge users, try Zoom for Microsoft Edge at https://www.microsoft.com/n-for-Microsoft-Edge/9nblggh4xjfm number sign =pivot: overview tab. 4. For NVIDIA users only, check if you are using the newest version. 5. If your computer has the AMD Catalyst Control Center, open the Device Manager, right-click on Start icon in left corner, then click Display Adapters and click your display card. Click on Search for a driver on the computer, second entry. Click Select Driver from list. Pick the newest one you have. Restart your computer. 6. To everyone who has their comp hooked up to HD TV, with your computer the TV setting for screen has to be set to native, whereas when you were watching cable your TV settings for screen is set to full. For example, change from 16:9 to screen fit if you're using a large Samsung TV. Change it for your computer. 7. For Office users, follow https://support.office.com/n-office-application-782.1d4b6-7c1d-a6b40c5b888b. Repair an Office application and run the repair tool on your computer. 8. Try to uninstall and reinstall the display drivers. 9. Try installing the drivers in compatibility mode. 10. Determine the optimal resolution for your system. s://uk.answers.acer.com/app/answers/details/id/3464/display-not-showing full screen. Display not showing full screen.